Brilliant colored birds are among the most beautiful creatures in nature. Their bright feathers display stunning shades of red, blue, green, yellow, orange, and purple. Famous examples include the scarlet macaw, peacock, rainbow lorikeet, and golden pheasant. These vivid colors help attract mates, identify species, and sometimes provide camouflage among flowers and forests. Many colorful birds live in tropical regions rich in food and vegetation. Their beauty attracts birdwatchers and photographers from around the world. Besides being visually attractive, they play important roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and maintaining healthy ecosystems.